Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we've got a GLE facelift model and I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big ugly box. Let's get into it. So what do we have here is a miniature plinth delete kit. So basically we've redesigned the big ugly box and shrunk it down to something like this. This will fit all GLE facelifts, AMG lines, not including the 63 because that's a different product, which we do have. All we're going to do first is take off the plate, take off the plinth, just take off all the screws that you can see, and it just pops off the car. Let's get that going. So I'll explain a little bit about the plinth and how it goes onto the car. Going car is simple because there's all these little design cues behind it, which means this will self-center to one of these little lines on the bar. So line that up, mark your holes, put your screw in, and you're pretty much done and you're ready to go for the brackets. But there is one scenario where you need an additional piece, which is included, and I'll explain. Because of the shape of the bumper, there's a bit of a shelf here. And when we design our plinths, we like to keep it nice and tight, as close to the car as we can, so it's nice and neat. But of course, there are some plates which are taller. So for example, in Victoria, we've got signatures or standard plates. In New South Wales, you have traditional plates. So anything that's taller than say about 130 mil or so, you will need to put on the extra spacer, which locates onto the plinth. And then you can put it all onto car as one piece and it'll be thick enough to clear this shelf section of the bar. So with that out the way, let's go get our non-plate bracket to suit a slimline plate. So before I put the bracket on, I'm just going to quickly test the fitment. So this is a slimline 5-character bracket, and our plate will go on, which is perfect, but it clears the bottom section and the top section. Whereas if we had a standard plate, as you can see, it's going to rest on this section here, touches the bumper up there, and a few other problems. So if we were to install this, just make sure you put your spacer on first, which goes into one of the, 2 of the 4 holes, and then your bracket, and then we'll clear the bumper. Plates are on, and you might be asking, oh Chris, what about these extra holes? Thought of that. We've got our little pretend parking sensors almost. They just go into the factory hole, do it up, and I'll stay there. I've got 4 of them for you. And there you have it. That's how you get rid of the big oversized blocks and clean it up with our plinth delete kit. Now just remember, the delete kit comes in 2 pieces. It's got the spacer if you have taller plates, so make sure you put that on and make sure you also grab the correct bracket to suit your number plate style. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.